Hey guys, Anthony here with a question for you. Is your website GDPR compliant? Well, that's of course if you've got a website. GDPR is the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, a new digital privacy regulation which became effective May 25th, 2018. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a GDPR WordPress plugin to make your WordPress site GDPR compliant. The first thing you need to do is install the GDPR WordPress plugin, and I've created a separate tutorial to show you how to do so. Secondly, you need to have these two pages, Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy, which I've already created. So I'm logged into my WordPress website. As you can see, I've already installed the GDPR WordPress plugin. You will notice that the plugin has various sections. Let's start with the Uber GDPR section, which is the introduction section and has relevant information and instructions on how to use this plugin. The first step is to create a new page with this shortcode. So I'm going to copy the shortcode using Ctrl+C. Next, I'll go to the Pages section and choose Add New. I'll give it a page name and paste the shortcode in the content box and then click the Publish button. Now, if you open the page, you will see these three sections for visitors: to request, data access, data deletion, and data rectification. Now, going back to the other sections of the GDPR plugin, let's look at the cookie consent section. Before we get into it, this is an example of a cookie consent notification. So this is the cookie consent settings section. And here's where you would customize your text. Check this box if you want the cookie notification to display on all pages, or choose specific pages in this section. You can also check this box to block cookies until users consent. Down below, you can customize the look and feel of the cookie notification. In this section, you can choose the Read More link. I chose my privacy policy page. In this section, you can enter your Google Analytics code to disable tracking. And finally, save the changes. Now let's look at the Terms and Conditions section. First of all, you can add the shortcode on your Terms and Conditions page at the bottom, so an Accept button like this displays. Let's go back to the Terms and Conditions section, and you can check these two boxes to require both logged in and guest visitors to accept the Terms and Conditions. In this section, you can choose the Terms and Conditions page if you have one, as well as choose the redirect page, and finally click Save Changes. Next, we'll look at the Privacy Policy section, which is similar to the Terms and Conditions section. For example, you can add the shortcode on your Privacy Policy page at the bottom. Similarly, you can check these two boxes to require both logged in and guest visitors to accept your privacy policy. In this section, you can choose the Privacy Policy page, as well as choose the redirect page, and finally save the changes. So that pretty much covers the setup of the GDPR plugin. In a separate video, I'll show you how to use these four sections when responding to data requests from your visitors. Well, hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.